What's up guys, this is Panda. Welcome back to my channel.
Today I'm going to be sharing with you a very traditional and delicious dish. Fermented red bean curd, peanuts, braised pork legs. Firstly, we will need around 1000 grams of finely diced pork legs, which can be bought at Chinese supermarkets. Now let's prepare the pork legs. First, place the pork legs in a big bowl. Add cold water to clean. This is to remove all the blood in the pork legs. Then, add the pork legs into salted water and simmer for 20 minutes. After simmering, take it out and drain. The next step is to prepare the side ingredients. Prepare some peanuts and simmer it in cold water for 10 minutes. Then add the peanuts into a pot and boil it for 30 minutes. This is to soften the peanuts and remove the pigments. Then prepare some ginger and cut them into fine slices. Prepare some spring onions and cut them into equal courses. The next step is to prepare the spice. Add 3 pieces of star anise, 6 bay leaves, and 3 grams of cinnamon sticks. Also, open a can of fermented red bean curd and prepare it. The next step is the making step. Add the pork legs and then a suitable amount of tap water. Then add cooking wine and some vinegar. Add the pork legs into cold water and boil for 15 minutes. After boiling for 15 minutes, take out the pork legs and wash it with cold water. The hair on the pork legs have to be removed. Drain the excess water from the pork legs and heat the pan. Then add 200 grams of oil. When oil is hot, add the already prepared ginger, spring onions, fermented red bean curd, and fry it under low heat for 3 minutes. You have to use low heat in these steps, otherwise spices can be burnt very easily, causing it to be very bitter. Add some cooking wine. After the ingredients are being fried, add the already boiled pork legs. Fry the pork legs for 2 minutes. This step is to remove all the excess water and tenderize the meat of the pork legs. Add the sauce from the fermented red bean curd. Add the spices and add the cooked peanuts. Fry it until it's even. Then add a suitable amount of water, just enough to cover the pork legs. And add a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then cover the lid, turn on low heat, and cook it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, turn off the heat and let it rest for 10 minutes. Do not open the lid. Then open the lid, add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of sugar, a tablespoon of light soy sauce, a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Cover up the lid and turn on low heat to cook for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, switch off the heat, but do not open the lid. Let it rest for another 10 minutes. And there you have it. A dish of very tenderized and delicious fermented red bean curd, peanuts, braised pork legs is done.
记得点赞关注哟。